CX Automatic Can Caps Capping Machine. Machine is suitable for capping aluminum can, tin can, iron can, PET can, metal can, paper can and plastic can, etc. Advanced design, carefully polished corners. Easy to operate and clean. Machine is adjustable for capping different diameter caps and different height of cans. Machine is low noise and low failure rate, can be continuous and stable, working for a long time. Fully stainless steel design, beautiful and durable. Our machines are CE certification, meet the GMP standard. World-famous electric and pneumatic accessories. Automatic caps, feeding and capping. Capping head is made of chrome steel roller, strong and sturdy. Multiple rollers design of the capping head, making sure machine will work at a stable and perfect situation for caps. Perfect capping performance, no leaks, no flaking of the cans after capping. Machine is offered 2 whole years long-time warranty, technical support forever. Factory direct, we have more than 8 years machines manufacturing experience. Thank you for your watching, and please do not hesitate to contact us to get further information of this machine. CX Pack, your most trusted, ideal and professional packing machine supplier.